still ugly with the money, running the trap. Now they giving me that. As far as I'm concerned, this motherfucker, look how I got him. Now they ready to shut up. Touch me now. Touch me now. Burn yourself. We got him high in this bitch. 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 Here we go. You see the alcohol spilling, and we got our hands in the ceiling. You know we only come around the building and break it on down. Just so we can want to get it. Rolling the kid traditional, the way I keep my money falling while you smacking on the back and do. We always keep it going. Right to the left, do it to death. No one to come through with a ticket and make the game tickle. Pull up the skill and prepare for the looking. I'm a mile niggas wonder when I'm gonna bring the hook. And blood's like spilling every time you get the look. You got a mile on the back to go Brooklyn. Ready to fast, gonna bring the rest of them. Cheat to shut it down on the regular. That's what the he's thinking that was whipping in the president. Most of these niggas killing the rest of the fellas that was thinking they was rushing in and busting. But the ladies knew when we was muscling, they hustle. Don't touch me now. Don't touch me now.
Bem, foi lá, próximo, Ok. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.